Hey there, Buy Smart family! Welcome back to another episode where we help you dodge those buyer's remorse blues and make smarter purchases. Today, we're putting two high flyers head to head. The DRONEEYE F10 foldable drone on the left and the Techwonderz drone with camera on the right. Buckle up, because this comparison is going to be more entertaining than a cat on a Roomba. Let's kick things off with what everyone loves: cameras. The DRONEEYE F10 comes with a 1080p FPV camera that lets you see the world like a bird with a GoPro. Reviewers have praised its high-quality camera and stable flight. But hold on to your propellers, folks, because the Techwonderz drone also boasts a 1080p HD camera. Not just one, but TWO cameras. And the front one can rotate 90 degrees. It's like having eyes in the front and back of your head. But wait, there's more. The Techwonderz drone also has a 50x zoom feature. Reviewers have found its image quality to be excellent, making it a highly recommended choice. Next up, let's talk about the thing that makes us all cry a little inside: the price. The DRONEEYE F10 is priced at a wallet-friendly $79. Meanwhile, the Techwonderz drone is a bit more ambitious, coming in at $129. That's a $50 difference, folks. You could buy yourself a nice dinner or 25 cups of gas station coffee with that extra cash. Reviewers feel the DRONEEYE F10 offers great value for its price, while others believe the Techwonderz drone is worth the extra money for its additional features and quality. Now, let's get into the fun stuff. Flight features. The DRONEEYE F10 can do 360 degrees flips, high-speed rotations, and even follow a route you draw on the app. It's like the Cirque du Soleil of drones. Plus, it has 3 speed settings, making it perfect for everyone from your grandma to your adrenaline junkie cousin. Reviewers have highlighted its intelligent flight modes and ease of use. On the other hand, the Techwonderz drone is like the ninja of the skies. It comes with 360 degrees obstacle avoidance. That's right, it can avoid obstacles faster than you avoid answering calls from your ex. Plus, it can do those cool 360 degrees flips and rolls too, and has a follow me mode. It's like having your own personal paparazzi. Reviewers appreciate its user-friendly features and ease of maneuvering. Alright, let's talk about how easy these bad boys are to control. The DRONEEYE F10 is beginner-friendly with features like one-key start, landing, and altitude hold. It's so easy, even your pet goldfish could probably fly it. Reviewers have mentioned its ease of use, making it an ideal gift for first-time flyers. But don't count out the Techwonderz drone just yet. It also has one-key takeoff, landing, emergency stop, and altitude hold. Plus, it has a user-friendly U.X design that makes it easy for kids and beginners to master. It's like the training wheels of drones, but way cooler. Reviewers find it very easy to use, even for children. Last but definitely not least, let's talk battery life. The DRONEEYE F10 doesn't specify its flight time, but let's be honest, it probably won't last longer than my New Year's resolutions. Reviews are mixed, with some praising its battery life and others noting issues. Meanwhile, the Techwonderz drone boasts a whopping 50 minutes of flight time. That's enough time to watch an episode of your favorite show or take a nice, long nap. Just make sure you don't nap while flying it, okay? Reviewers are particularly impressed with its long battery life and overall quality. Overall, the reviews for the DRONEEYE F10 foldable drone highlight its affordability, ease of use, and versatility, though some users have had issues with its camera quality and connectivity. On the other hand, the Techwonderz drone with camera is praised for its superior camera quality, advanced features, and long battery life, making it a premium choice for those willing to spend a bit more. So there you have it, folks. The DRONEEYE F10 foldable drone versus the Techwonderz drone with camera. If you're balling on a budget and want a drone that's fun and easy to use, the DRONEEYE F10 might be your new best friend. But if you're willing to splurge a bit for extra features like dual cameras, obstacle avoidance, and long battery life, then the Techwonderz drone is your go-to gadget. Let us know in the comments which drone you think wins this showdown. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon so you never miss another episode of Buy Smart. Until next time, keep flying high and buying smart. Product links are in the description.